How to find free music in the YouTube audio library. As you can see right here on my screen, guys, I'm on youtube.com. And what is important, you need to have Google account and you also need to have a YouTube channel. So if you don't have one, you want to create a YouTube channel so that you can log into the YouTube studio. So once you have that, just simply click your account on the upper right and go right into the YouTube studio. Once you're inside the YouTube studio, guys, you can easily find the YouTube audio library. Just scroll down on the lower left hand side. You will find the YouTube audio library. As you can see, it says audio library right here. You click on that, and so you'll find music. All of these music that you can see here is actually free, and they're copyright free music that you can download. You can download them as MP3 and you can use them in your videos, right? So here on the left side, you can see that it's a play button. You can play it, and this allows you to listen to music. You can download it on the right side. If you look on the right side, you can see right here that it basically shows a download icon. Once you hover over added, where it shows added, you can find that download button. So you click and download right there, and it downloads that for you, right? The next thing is that you can search by different things, right? So I'm going to click in the search section right here. You can search by title, you can search by genre. It shows different genres that you can download by. And you also have more options here, such as mood, artist name, duration, attribution, not required, and attribution required, right? So these are the ones you can choose what you want to. And so once you decide, right, you can download. You also have sound effects. You have over 360 sound effects. To be exact, it's 364, as you can see right there. You can listen them, you can download them. And one cool thing I like is if you're searching for a music, let's say you're currently just doing your research, you're not ready to download anything yet, you can just favorite them. You can click the star next to them and it goes into the start section right here. And so you'll have them here whenever you want to go back to download them at any point in time. And so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can find free music in the YouTube audio library. Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue. And once you download it, you open up your video editor, whether that's CapCut or whatever you're using with your videos. You import the music, you adjust the volume, you add it where you want, you fade in, you fade out. Basically do your editing and it's good to go. You will not have any issues when you publish or post your YouTube videos. It's going to be free and you will not have any issues from YouTube. I think this is the safest way to use music in your videos because this is what YouTube provides, and YouTube will provide you the best free music, or let's say copyright free music, that you can use in your videos. That's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple how to find free music in YouTube audio library. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video useful, give this video a like. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.